Right now, a new AI niche is exploding on the internet. People are posting micro-camera insect and animal videos, and some of them are getting millions of views. And the crazy part is that you can create these videos using only free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'm also giving away my Microworld AI prompt, which automatically generates everything you need. If you want this prompt, just comment Microworld prompt and I'll send it to you. Now let's start. First, copy the Microworld AI prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will automatically generate a list of 15 small animals or insects that can carry a tiny research camera. You can simply choose any number from the list. Or if you want to create a specific animal like ants, spiders, or beetles, you can just type the name directly. For this example, we'll create a black garden ant video. Once you select the animal, ChatGPT will instantly generate one image prompt for creating the starting image and 5 motion prompts for generating the video. First, we create the image and then we animate it into a video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. Go to the Grok Imagine section, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Select image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get an ultra high detail image. Choose the image you like the most. To animate it, click the edit icon and select Make Image Move. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first motion prompt, paste it into the box, make sure the aspect ratio is still 9:16 and click Generate. Now your AI video clip is ready. If you like the result, you can continue, and if not, you can regenerate it again. Once you're satisfied with the clip, upscale it for better quality. After the upscale finishes, click Extend from Frame. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it, and generate again. This will seamlessly extend your video while maintaining the same visual quality. Repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. Each time, upscale the clip, extend from the last frame, paste the next motion prompt, and generate again. After completing all the prompts, your final video will be ready. Just upscale the final output and download it to your device. And that's it. Your AI-generated micro-camera insect video is ready to post. And again, if you want my Microworld AI prompt, just comment Microworld prompt and I'll send it to you.